Sir in front. Microphone.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sandeepan Chakravarti. I have a very small question to ask on present and future. From what I understand, that the future wars will not be fought between a soldier and a soldier. It will be fought with drones. And recently there was a war where the drones wiped out regiment after regiment. And so the soldiers are saying, who do we fight with? They are appearing from nowhere and they are just blowing us out. So is this true that drone warfare is the thing of future? And if so, what is India doing about it? Thank you.
See, any warfare, and when you look back into the history of warfare, you have new weaponry, new systems come up, and you have counters that come up. Tank came up, anti-tank ammunition came up, anti-tank missiles came up. People said this is the tank is dead. Tank did not die. Tank is still alive. Same is, you have loitering ammunition that came up. Now you have got kamikaze drones that have come up. I'm quite sure there are people who are working on anti-drone technology. So this war in technology carries on from what comes up and what comes up as a counter. We need to look in the future. You need to invest on things in the future. And that is why I said, our strength lies in innovation. Everything doesn't have to come from outside. After all, when you look at the most common drone that you find in social occasions, the quad, that was made by a student of second year in Delhi Technical University, the one that got exhibited in the movie called Three Idiots. After that, suddenly you find this type of drones everywhere, all over the world. They sold the commercial rights. I think we need to look at what is going to impact. And when you look at warfare, you look at impact, you look at technology, you want to look at the effect which will be psychologically visible if you use a particular thing. And I'm sure there are enough people and institutions who are working on various things to ensure that we remain in technology in the forefront.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।